You are still solving exercises on the circle theorem. So let us look at this these two exercises. But these are theory questions. So let's look at them. The first one says that this first one that's figure 2. It says that in figure 2, A, B, and C are 3 points on a circle center O. So A, B, and C are 3 points on this circle with center what? O. Center O. If angle OAB is equal to M, angle what? OAB, this is M degrees, and angle OC is equal to P. Angle OCA is P, and angle OCB is Q. Angle OCB, this is what Q. You show that P plus Q plus M is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, P plus Q plus M is equal to 90 degrees. So this is question number, this is A, our first question. Okay, so how do you do that? Okay, so let us identify the theorems here. You know that this is angle formed by the same arc at the center is equal to 2 times angle formed by an arc. Angle formed by an arc. The angle formed by an arc at the center is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. Okay, that is what is here. Okay, okay, yes. You stand here, you get this here. Just at this side, the same theorem is here. You stand here, you get the same theorem. This is at the center, this is at the circumference. So this one center, circumference. When you are standing here, you have center and then circumference. Okay. Okay, and before apart from that, we also notice that this is the center. If this is the center, then it means that this line is the radius, this line is the radius, this line is the radius. So it means that these three small triangles are associated triangle. Okay, so triangle, triangle, it means that triangle ABO, ABO, triangle triangle AOC, and and triangle BOC are all associates. They are all associates of triangles. Okay. Okay, they are all associated triangles. So what do you know about associated triangle? You know that the base angles are equal. So it means that this triangle BOC is an associated triangle. So if this base angle is Q, then definitely this angle is also what? This angle will be Q. Okay. And then this one too is what? It's an associated triangle. So if this is this side, the triangle AOB is an associated triangle. So if this is M, then this must be equal to this base angle, which is also what? M. The same way triangle AOC is an associated triangle. So if this base angle is P, then definitely this base angle is also what? P. So what do we notice? So let's look at the bigger triangle. It means that all the angles in this bigger triangle ABC will sum to what? 180 degrees. So let us do that. Let us sum that and see what we will get. So it means that we are using, what are we saying? We are saying that from what? From triangle what? ABC. Okay. So what does it imply? It implies that we have this is P plus what? This side is what? P plus what? P plus Q. So it means that it implies that P plus Q, then plus what? This side is what? P plus what? M. P plus what? M. And then this side is what? M plus what? Q. This side is M plus Q plus what? M plus what? Q is equal to what? 180 what? Degrees. Have you seen? Okay, fine. So you know that this is P, and P. You have 2P. Q. You have 2Q. And then M. We have what? 2M. So P plus P will give us what? We have 2P. It implies that what? 2P plus what? Then Q plus Q is 2Q plus 2Q, and then M plus M is what? 2M plus 2M is equal to what? 180 degrees. Okay, it's equal to 180. Okay, it's equal to 180 degrees. So we divide through by what? Divide through by 2. If you divide through by 2, what do we get? This we get P plus Q plus what? Plus M is equal to what? 90 degrees. Hence the proof. So we have shown that P plus Q plus M is equal to what? 90 degrees. So the first. Okay, let us look at the second one. So you see, it's not difficult at all. Let us look at the second one. The second one is somehow tougher. So okay, fine. what you see that in figure 3, A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle center O. If AO is parallel to what DC, so AO, this AO is parallel to DC. See how he has indicated this or this arrow parallel to DC, and the angle what OAC is equal to what 38 degrees. Angle OAC is equal to 38 as indicated. Find IACB and IIDBC. Fine. So we are supposed to find ACB, this angle, and then we are supposed to also find this angle. These two angles are the angles we are supposed to find. So as usual, let us try to identify the theorems that are present here. Okay, so we notice what we identify the angle formed by what an arc on the at the center is equal to 2 times angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. So this arc is forming this angle AOB at the center here. Have you seen? So this angle is equal to 2 times this angle. These two angles are related. Okay, and then when we are standing out, we are using the arc AB. If we use the arc DE, it means that arc DE is also forming this angle at the center. Okay, and then this arc, same arc DE is forming this angle on the circumference. Okay, so this angle here is also equal to 2 times this angle. Okay, fine. So let us say we are also told that like DC and AO are parallel. Why? You are not told that for I mean that one just you can't take that for granted. It is useful. That's why I mean the question asks us that information. So it means that if you have this, see this line, these two lines are parallel, then this line AC is a traversal, doesn't cross anyway. So it means that this angle here must be equal to this angle. That alternate angle, the alternate angles I've shown you before. You have two parallel lines like this, and you have this. So this angle is equal to this angle. The alternate angles. They are equal. Z angles. Yes, that angle. That's how we call them. Not to forget, you can name them as what Z angles. For this is Z, then the angles, but they are called alternate angles in parallel lines. That is, the name given to those angles. So it means that if this angle is 30, then surely this angle is also what? This angle here is also what? 30. They are equal. Okay. We have to find angle ACB, angle ACB, and also know that we also, apart from these two angles formed by the same arc at the center and on the circumference, or yes, angle formed by the center, which is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc at the circumference. We also have this is the diameter. So diameter forms an angle of 90 degrees. So it means that this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90. So if this is 38, and this angle is 90 degrees, then the whole is 90 degrees. Then what will be this angle? This angle will be what? This angle is equal to 90 what? 90 minus 38. What is 90 minus 38? 90 minus 38 is what? It's 52. Is that also? So we have 90 minus 38. Okay, which is equal to what? 52 degrees. Have you seen? So this angle is what? This angle is 52 degrees. Have you seen? So this is a theoretical question. So you have to be stating all that I don't have enough space. So you should tell the examiner that this DB is what the diameter. The diameter forms an angle of what? 90 degrees. If the diameter forms an angle of 90 degrees, and then this DC and AO are parallel, this line is what? Then it means that this angle here is equal to this angle. They are alternate angles. You have to be stating all that in order to get full mass. And then we also say that DB is what? The diameter, which forms angle 90 degrees at what? At the circumference, or the circumference. So that means that what? It implies that angle what? Angle DCA plus what? Angle what? Angle ACB. ACB we are asked to find. Give us what? 90 degrees. Okay. You add them, you get the 90 degrees. So it means that this one, this is 30 what? This is 38 plus what? Angle what? ACB is equal to what? 90. So this implies that angle what? ACB is equal to what? 90 minus what? 38, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 52 degrees. Have you seen? 52. So this angle is equal to what? This is equal to 52 what? 52 degrees. Okay, so let's look at the other one. Okay, the other one is somehow tougher, but you will find it. Nothing is difficult, only that you have to understand, get understanding, don't memorize. As far as you have understanding, get wisdom, you will get wisdom to solve the question. Okay, fine. So this is 52. If this 52, then angles formed by the same arc. Okay, so if this is 52, as we are saying, then this angle is formed by arc AB, and this arc AB is forming an angle of what? This angle at the center, huh? So at the center, so it means that this angle here, this angle is equal to 2 times this angle, huh? So this implies that, so we say angles. Okay, so this one, the angle, huh? The angle formed by an arc at what? At the center. At the center is equal to 2 times angle formed by the same arc on what? On the circumference. Okay? On the circumference. Okay. Fine. So what does it tell you? It implies that, so this implies that what? Angle what? AOB is equal to what? 2 times angle what? 2 times angle ACB, which is 52. 2 times 52, which is equal to what? 104 degrees. Okay, so this angle is what? This angle is 104 degrees. In the same way, angle what? The same way angle, what do you call it? Angle, this, look here, this arc. So this arc is forming this angle at the center and forming this angle of 38 on the circumference. Okay, so the same are going here, the same are coming here. So to me that angle what? DOE, angle DOA is equal to 2 times angle what? DCA, which is what? 38. 2 times 38. What is 2 times 38? 2 times 38 is what? 76 what? 76. So this is 76 degrees. Obviously, but implies the angle DOA is equal to what? It's equal to 76 degrees. Okay? Okay. So you know this angle, this is 38 and this is what? This is 76. So we can find this angle. If you find this angle will be equal to this angle, vertical opposite angle. And then we can find this angle. So in fact, this one is somehow involving. This question is somehow involving. Okay, fine. So let us find this angle. Let's denote this angle by what? Let's say this angle is what? It's V. Or there's no letter for us to denote it. So let us V, this angle. So you know that this is what? 76. So V plus 38 plus 76 will give us 180. This is a triangle. Have you seen? So we can say that 38. Okay. So angle what? As we said, so there's a angle. This implies the angle what? It implies that angle. Sorry. It implies that angle DOA plus angle what? Plus angle angle CAO. Angle CA what? AO plus V. This V there we are give us what? 180 degrees. Obviously. So this one, we know this, we are making the V the service. So V will be equal to this one goes here. Will be negative. So we have 180. Then this one will become a negative. So this one is 76 minus 76. Sorry, and this one is what? 30 what? 38. So this is equal to 180 minus, that way this is the same as, you have to add up negative 76 minus 36. What do we get? You will get what? 100 and what? 112. Okay, so to 180 minus 100 and what? 112. So this one will give us what? Which is equal to what? 68. You get 68. 180 minus 112 is what? Is equal to what? 68 degrees. Obviously. So this angle is what? This is 68. If this is 68, then this angle here is also 68. Okay, so what we are doing is that we know this side of the angle. This is 90. We want to find this side of this side. If you get this side, then we can easily get this side. Because this side plus this side plus this triangle will have to give us 180. Okay, so this is 68. So now 68 plus 38 plus this angle D will give us what? will have to give us 180 degrees. Have you seen? So this implies that angle what? Angle A, angle BDC, angle BDC plus what? 68. 68 plus, this is the 68 we just found, plus this angle which is 38, plus 38 is equal to what? 180 what? Degrees. So this implies that angle what? BDC will be equal to what? 180 minus, so 38 plus 68. What is 38 plus 68? 38 plus 68 is 106. Okay, so this is 106. So minus 106. What is 180 minus 106? This is what? Is 74 what? 74 degrees. Okay, so we have this 74. So now we are going to get this very easily. So now we have this angle, and then we know this angle to be 90. So we are looking for this angle. So this implies that now we are using, what are we using? From what? From what triangle? So from triangle what? Triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. What does it imply? It implies that angle D, this angle that we just got, is what? 74. It implies that 74. We know that to be 74. 74 plus what? Plus this angle which is 90 degrees, plus the whole of this angle 90, plus 90, plus angle what? Angle, the angle you are supposed to find is angle what? DBC. Angle DBC will give us what? 180 degrees. Have you seen? Give us 180 degrees. So what is 74 plus 90? 74 plus 90 is what? 164. So it implies that we can say that, okay, it implies that, let's come here. It implies that 74 plus 90 is what? 164 plus what? Angle DBC is equal to what? 180 what? Degrees. So this implies that make angle DBC the subject. So angle DBC is equal to what? 180 minus what? Minus 164. 164. So what is 180 minus 164? 180 minus 164 is what? 16 what? 16 degrees. Have you seen? 16 degrees. So it means that this angle is equal to what? This angle is equal to 16 what? 16 degrees. So guys, you see, about this question is yeah, it's powerful question. It's involving. It's powerful. But I mean, we understand that thing. We have to move quickly, move fast, and be accurate. That is all. Because we understand. Once you understand, you are not memorizing. You're able to solve it. No matter how, no question on circuit theorem should be able to beat you. I hope you are enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.